Hey guys, இன்னைக்கு டே 3 ஆஃப் இங்கிலீஷ் ஸ்பீக்கிங் ப்ராக்டிஸ் இன் ஃப்ரண்ட் ஆஃப் கேமரா. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம கூட யார் இருக்காருன்னா என்னோட நெய்பர் சன். உன்னை பற்றி சொல்கிறான்.
Hi everyone. My name is Yohan. I'm studying 4th standard.
Okay. This is simple introduction of him. Okay. Today the topic is about Yugan. Okay. And I didn't take any particular topic. Instead of the topic I choose Yugan. I am going to talk about him. Okay. Okay. About him, I can say he's a curious kid. When I came to home after my college graduation, I studied in hostel for one minute. I have a call. Okay. And I studied in hostel for 4 years. And if I came back to my home in semester leaves, he has a very kind to me, and he is so charismatic behavior about me, so that made me to listen him like that. After my graduation, I came to my home. He always came to me and asking that can you teach me about a laptop, can you teach me the how to type the word, like that. Then then I love to teach him, so I taught him some typing words, how you have to type the words in the laptop, like that. And he have a very passion about, I think he have a very passion about, I don't know it's a good thing or bad thing, but he have a passion about this kind of things, like digital products, like laptop, like that. Not digital laptop is not a digital product. We can say like electronics products, like laptop, mobile. I think in his future he will pursue in technology field, or he can work in technology, because in a childhood he have interest in technology. So I can say he will work in future in the technology. Let's see after like 15 or 20 years what will happen. And for him, this is the first video recording. He is very shy and very curious about how the videos things and work. And I taught him what is mic, and also I am also studied in Tamil medium. He also now studying in Tamil medium. Sometimes I taught him, teach him some English words, like simple words like today, tomorrow, yesterday, and meaning of the Tamil words in English, like that. Yeah. I love to teach him a lot, because he is the child, he is the one who I was in my childhood. So I wanted to teach him a lot. In future, after I go to office, I will teach him regularly if I get back to my home. Yeah, that's all. நீ எதனா பேசுறியா? ஓகே, சரி, என்னை பற்றி சொல்லு. சொல்கிறா. Okay. He is so shy in front of camera. Okay, let's wind up. And if you want to okay, that's all. Okay, bye.
Bye guys.